morning, ladies and gentlemen. Great to see you here this morning. This prize, as we discussed yesterday, is really all about trying to further the interest around forests and forest production and forest industry and the possibilities about the future. I think that is one of the key messages that we have over time been able to deliver, and I think it's only a start of what the possibilities are for the future. Johanna Buchert and the whole team in the selection committee, I think, has been putting together what I think can be a very interesting and fruitful program for today, Wearing Wood and the World of Wood-Based Textiles. I think that this will address both big and small companies, and academia and industry has an incredibly important role to work together to find new ways to use this recyclable and really sustainable material that we can do things with for the future. And I really hope that we will be able to continue to develop technically and industrially what we are all working with on a continuous basis. We have a very tricky situation in my mind. We have a political force driving the question around forests in one direction. And I think it goes a little bit to the contrary, and this is a worrying fact. There are two sides to this coin, as we know. On one side, the whole sustainability part. On the other side, the potential of using the wood fiber as a potential material to solve a lot of the sustainable questions for the future. And these two forces have to meet at some point. And I think this is something for us working with this on a daily basis. We have to keep an eye on this and make our voices heard in this debate, because otherwise it might fall in a different direction that we are really wanting to see. As part of the mission for the prize, we have set out the wish to have young researchers joining this. And when I look at other businesses that we are involved with, it's obvious that many of those businesses, different industries, are benefiting from the involvement of researchers, young researchers, who bring in new ideas and bring in the entrepreneurial aspect of what those industries and how those industries can develop. It seems to me that in the world of textiles, that could be, as just one example, but I think in many other aspects, the possibility to see young researchers turning into their ideas into entrepreneurial efforts in one way or another will also, for this industry, or the forest industry, be a very, very important part. So I really want to welcome all of you to be here. At last, I really want to thank the selection committee for bringing such a wonderful group of good speakers together. Really interesting, and thank you for traveling from very far apart to join us here today. And thereby, I'd like to turn over the word to Orlando again, and thank you very much for being here. Thank you.